Hi, welcome to Ozzy's Home Cooking. Today I'd like to share with you this extremely delicious meatloaf roll recipe. It's stuffed with spinach and cheese and easier than it looks. Great for dinner parties and family dinners. Let's get started. First, we chop 4 spring onions. Then we need about 350 grams of washed baby spinach, but any type of spinach is fine. We won't cook all of the spinach. We need to put a handful aside for later. In a pan, we put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we cook the spring onions. After they soften, we add the spinach and cook it for about 15 minutes on medium heat until it wilts. In a large bowl, add 1 kilogram of mince. I use beef mince, but you can also use lamb or pork. Now I crush 6 breadsticks with something sturdy. Add the crumbs into the bowl. We add 3 level tablespoons of yogurt, 1 egg, 2 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now it's time to use the spinach we put aside earlier. Chop it all finely and add it into the bowl. Now we mix everything together well. Let me show you. The consistency should be a little sticky, smooth, and everything well combined. I spread the mixture on baking paper in a thin layer. I make the edges as straight as possible. Now the base is ready. Spread the cooked spinach and spring onions on top of the meat mixture and add 2 handfuls of grated cheese on top. Yes, it's time to roll. Don't squeeze too hard and don't roll too tightly. It's actually much easier than it looks. Just watch how I do it. Here we are, it's ready. Final touches to give it shape and half close the ends. Transfer it to a baking tray while on the paper. Then cut the edges to fit the tray. Let's make a sauce. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Mix them all together. Apply it on the surfaces you see. Now we make a foil tent for it. The foil shouldn't touch the surface of the meatloaf, but should be sealed to keep the steam inside. It goes into a fan oven preheated to 200 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, remove the foil. Look at this. It looks wonderful, doesn't it? We'll put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes to roast the top well. Now it's done. It looks and smells fantastic. I transfer it to a serving tray with the help of the paper. Take out the paper. This is really a must-try recipe. I'll put the full recipe in the description as well. It's ready to serve. It's juicy, fully cooked, and so delicious. Enjoy. If you liked the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Also, I look forward to reading your comments. Thanks for watching.